Behind the most famous label on Earth lies a billion-dollar secret, protected by the most advanced manufacturing machine ever built.
Every drop of Coca-Cola begins with nature, sourcing premium botanicals and pure cane sugar from the world's finest plantations.
The process starts with the base, purified water blended with the iconic caramel color that gives Coca-Cola its signature hue. In the carbonation tower, the soul of the drink is born, the legendary sparkle that defines the Coca-Cola experience. Precision is everything. At speeds of up to 100,000 bottles per hour, each one is filled to the exact same level with mathematical accuracy. The final touch, the label that has represented refreshment and joy for over a century, is finally applied. In a world where perfection is the only standard, even static electricity is eliminated to ensure every bottle remains flawlessly clean. Inside the deaeration tank, dissolved oxygen is removed from the liquid, guaranteeing a consistent taste and extended shelf life. One liquid split into 100 streams. The engineering behind the taste is as complex as the formula itself. Cleanliness is not just a standard. It is a core ingredient in every billion-dollar secret we protect. Every bottle is a masterpiece of precision, inspected by artificial intelligence to ensure the billion-dollar promise is kept. In this digital fortress, every second of production is monitored by artificial intelligence to guarantee perfection in every drop. A billion-dollar industry, 100-year secret, and a global icon. This is Coca-Cola.